everyone. If you're on a PC, I wanted to show you 3 programs that I use a lot that I want you to consider downloading and installing. They won't be required, but I think that they're useful. The first is one that I use a lot. It's called Launchy. It's a launching utility. So if you hit Alt Spacebar, it opens a little bar, and then you can type the name of a program like Chrome, and it would launch Chrome. You can also associate a variety of other things. So for example, I have added the word remote that's connected to a particular URL that's a Google Doc where I store all my remote grades for this last school year. So it's nice because if you have things that you like to open up regularly, rather than using bookmarks where you have to visually scan through a list, you can just jump directly to them by launching them with Launchy. And it's takes a relatively small amount of resources, so it's a nice program. Another nice thing to have is a plain text editor. Here, I'm going to use Launchy to show you the one that comes built into Windows. So Notepad is what comes built into Windows, and it looks like this. This is a very minimal plain text editor. I actually don't find it super useful. Notepad++ is a pretty nice one. TextPad is another nice one. I have both, and I use them, but I don't think the details matter that much. So I'd say choose one of them and download and install it. The last one that I use a lot is a utility called 7-zip that will let you decompress a whole variety of different types of compressed file. So Windows will let you do a lot of these as well. But I don't like the Windows interface. I think it's clunky, and this one will let you unpack a whole bunch of other compressed formats that the Windows native one doesn't let you do. If you produce a lot of media for free, 2 other nice things to consider are Audacity, which is a very fully featured audio editing platform. And again, it's free. Paint.net is sort of like a Photoshop replacement. It's not hugely fully featured. It's certainly not a replacement for a complete version of Photoshop, but it's a nice editing tool that will let you do some basic photo editing. So those are also 2 other programs to consider. If you guys have programs that are favorite usability programs for you in different areas, feel free to add them as comments below here so that we can all learn from each other.